तो व्हाट इज़ अ पाइथन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम पाइथन देखने वाले हैं. तो व्हाट इज़ अ पाइथन, व्हाई यूज अ पाइथन, व्हाट इज़ द डेप्थ ऑफ पाइथन, व्हाट इज़ द फीचर एंड हिस्ट्री ऑन सो ऑन पाइथन. तो वन बाय वन देखते हैं. देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इज अ this today's session is a Python. My name is Gade Sagar, MSc Computer Science as well as Python Django developer and data analytics. Then introduction to Python. Python is a simple general purpose high level object oriented programming language. Okay, Python is a high level interpreter, interactive है as well as object oriented programming language या scripting language so on. Python is a designed to high readable. It is a use English keyword frequently whereas the other language use punctuation. It has fewer syntactical construction that other languages. Just like a Python is an interpreter. Python is a processed at runtime by the interpreter. You do not need to compile your program before executing it. This is similar to Perl या PHP. As well as Python is interactive. First of all देखा तो Python is a interpreter. Then अब देख रहे हैं Python is a interactive. You can actually sit at the Python prompt and interact with the interpreter directly to the write your program. As well as Python is a object oriented. Python support object oriented style or technique of programming that encapsulation code within a objects. What is a Python is a beginner language. So this is a Python is a great language for a beginner level programmers and supports the development of a wide range of applications from simple text processing to www browser to games. Then what is the history of Python? It was created by Gundo and Ransom in 1991 and developed by Python Software Foundation. So then National Research Institute of Mathematics and Computer Science in the Netherlands वहाँ पे वो डेवलप हो चुके हैं. Then currently is a Python 3x या 3.x जो भी वर्जन है और स्टार्टिंग पे है. What is a Python features? So on some features of Python. Then this is a top 10 feature. Just like coding is easy to learn, easy to read, just like this. Suppose easy to learn, then is a Python has a few keywords, simple structure and clearly define a syntax. This allows a student to pick up the language quickly. And easy to read means this Python code is a more clearly defined and visible to the eyes. Then easy to maintain. Okay, easy to maintain means Python source code is really easy to maintain. Then as well as quick learn curve, because Python is a very simple language. Open source libraries available just like a pandas, numpy, scipy, matlabs and so on. Support communities are very high using a machine learning, data science, big data, Hadoops and so on. Concept that use of Pythons. And Python is a portable. Python means Python can run on a wide variety of hardware platforms and has this some interface on all platforms है. Is a database देखा जाए according to database के ओर से देखा जाए तो Python provides interface to all major commercial database है. As well as Python using GUI programming, just like Python support GUI application that can be created and ported to many system calls, libraries and Windows system such as the Windows MFC, then other so on Unix है. So this is a Python features of top 10 features of Python. Then using uses of Python, just like first one is a web development using a Django framework. Okay, that's I'm using a Python is a very code reducible framework and very popular framework in India and other words then words. So other countries as well as then Internet of Things है, big data using a Hadoop concept वहाँ पे हम Python का use कर सकते हैं. Machine learning में तो definitely data analysis, data analytics, web scraping, computer graphics. This is the uses of Python है. Then this is the first program of Java. Just like आपको Java में सिर्फ hello world print करना है तो आपकी code of line 5 to 6 line हो सकती है. In PHP में 4 to 5 lines से code of line हो सकती है. But in Python में just print the hello world. Okay, ये होता है code of line just one line. तो ये होता है Python का advantages of. Then this is the introduction of Pythons. Thanks.